Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you a quick trick to never forget the density formula again. Many students sometimes miss this, so let's look at a typical quiz question. Which of the following is the correct formula for the calculation of density from mass and volume? So in order to remember the formula forever, you need to remember this simple word, and that word is moved. Here, mass over volume equals density. That means D equals m over V. This is the famous density triangle. But the problem is that sometimes student might put this D on the top or V on the top instead of M. But once you remember this moved, then you will always keep your M to the top. So now let me just quickly show you how to use this density triangle. Suppose if you want to find density, then cover the density. Cover the density. So density equals mass over volume. Suppose if you want to find mass, then what you do is you cover the mass and then mass equals density times volume. And finally, suppose if you want to find the volume, then you cover volume, then volume will be mass over density. And again, remember the word moved and make sure you keep your mass at the top in the density triangle. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more chemistry tips and data analysis. See you in the next video.